Morning guys, today we're going to do another cooking vlog because we still can't go out and do anything, and we hope you guys are enjoying it. Today we're going to do two things for you. We're going to do Rice Krispie treats and we're going to do Dole Whip, one of Natalie's favourites.
I wore my pineapple t-shirt, like especially because I love Dole Whip. It is like one of my favourite Disney treats, from either going to Florida or Disneyland Paris, do a version as well.
I'll be honest, I'm not really into it, but I do like the ice cream part. I just don't like floats. You know, Natalie's into Coke floats and all that stuff, but
you like the normal, just Dole Whip in a...
And that's what I mean, like I Dole Whip in a soft serve, so that's what I'm going to have, and Natalie's going to have it like a float. Now, the reason we're doing this video is we were actually going to do cinnamon rolls, like Cinnabon, but the problem was we went to the co-op and literally there was no baking stuff. The
whole of the UK seemed to be baking right now. There was no waste. There was hardly any flour left. There was no
brown sugar.
Flour. No, there was no brown sugar, nothing. Which are the only ingredients that we needed, that we don't have in the house already.
So we couldn't unfortunately do that. So we're just going to do these two, which should be pretty cool. We hope you enjoy it.
Both are 3 ingredients. So.
Aye, they're pretty simple. So you can do them at home for the kids or for yourself. Obviously, if you like pineapple Dole Whip, you can do this. Natalie was saying that Disney's also put up a lot of their recipes if you want to do snacks at home, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, so that's where I've got the Dole Whip one. It's the actual one they've released from Disney, so they released it on their park app like for a limited time, and people have screenshot it. But we'll show you how to make it, and hopefully it tastes just as good. Right
guys, so we're going to get in and get this all done.
It's also not really Rice Krispies.
Alright, okay, yeah, so we want to show you this. So we try to get Rice Krispies right, but basically the shop's sold out of everything, so this is what we had to go for. Rice Krispie multigrain squares, or shapes, sorry.
It's the only cereal I can eat.
Aye, it's the only cereal. We tried to get Rice Krispies, but basically there wasn't any Rice Krispies at all. We'll actually show you now what we're going to do with the Rice Krispies. So we've got these multigrain shapes, and we've got marshmallows, any marshmallows you like, and butter. And to make the Dole Whip, we've got pineapple chunks, which Natalie already pre-froze. She put them in a wee sandwich bag.
You can buy frozen pineapple as well to skip that step, but
we thought we'd just get the pineapple chunks, that's better. Drain all the liquid out and just stick them straight in a sandwich bag and in the freezer. The next one, pineapple juice obviously. There you go, pretty straightforward. And vanilla ice cream. Get any of your favourite ice cream. The co-op, this is all they had. For some reason, they were all gone. So we'll get on with the Dole Whip as well.
So now we have greased our pan that the squares are going to go into. We don't actually have a square baking tray, so we're just using a casserole dish, so just be inventive. What we're going to do is pop this butter in here and get it melted up.
Right guys, now that the butter's all melted, we're going to put our marshmallows right in there. And we're just going to melt them all up as well.
As we're being adventurous and using what we have, as if we're in some sort of world apocalypse and using different ones other than Rice Krispies, we're going to try and smash these up. So we're just going to pop them into a bigger bowl. And as you may remember from our Easter egg one, we don't have anything to smash.
You could use a bowl. Use that bowl, because it's ceramic. We're going to try this bowl and just smash them all into bits.
Just so it's a bit more manageable to mix in with the marshmallows.
So guys, I just wanted to show you the process. Look at those marshmallows. They're amazing. Look. Oh, brilliant. As you can hear, Natalie's crunching up the Rice Krispies in the background. So guys, that's our marshmallows now all melted. I'm just going to pour them all in here. Oh, that looks dynamite. Look at the lie, I just want to grab a handful of that.
Don't, it'll burn you.
I mean, it will burn me. Right, try and get as much out as you can. Oh, it's already going quite firm and sticky. Right. Now I'm just going to mix it all in. Oh, I lost some. Look at that. Does that not look amazing? I mean, already, I don't even want to put it in the bowl thing we're going to use. I just want to scoop it out this, just eat it straight away.
It does look amazing.
Does look good, doesn't it? So we're just going to put it in here to finish and just flatten it all out. Oh, look at that. Looks amazing. So simple. Make this in about 10 minutes, guys. Get the kids involved. Looks dynamite. To be honest, you don't even need to get the kids involved. I would date when they go to bed. You just keep it off yourself. You know what I mean?
That is terrible.
No, that's the best thing to do. Just tell them, oh sorry, they ran out of Rice Krispies at the shop, Chris said. They're all sold out. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the stringiness there.
It's like spider web.
So guys, that's us just took our Rice Krispies out of the fridge. And they look dynamite, they're rock solid. And we're going to cover them in some chocolate. Other chocolates are available.
So, we're going to melt the chocolate. Chris wanted to melt it in the microwave, but I don't like doing that because you can sometimes burn the chocolate.
Yeah, so Natalie's going to make her own wee bain marie. She's going to put hot water in there. Put this on top. And Bob's your uncle. So, we're just going to put the hot water in here. Just fill it all the way up.
Yeah.
Okay. And there we go.
And just make sure that the bottom doesn't touch the water.
So here we have it. The chocolate is all melty.
It's not really all done, but
Well, it's getting close, isn't it?
you had no patience for this.
I definitely didn't.
If you just give it time, it'll go. It won't happen immediately, but you can fire it in the microwave if you like, but I just don't like doing it because it will burn the chocolate.
Are we ready to pour it on?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What will we do? Just drizzle it?
Just pour it, do whatever you want. Let's see what happens. I thought you might have just pulled it out the bowl, but... Here we go. Splat. Caught a big chunks there. That's good. So there we go. That's a Rice Krispie treat. Now we've got all the measurements, we want to just chuck it all in a big massive green bowl. Oh, the pineapple juice, we never told you measurements for that. So the pineapple juice is 67 grams, Natalie?
Yeah.
Right, so we chuck that in. There we go, a bit of pineapple juice. All the ice cream. And Natalie's just going to blend it all together.
We're using a hand blender because we don't have a big blender, but I'm pretty sure like if you have a billet or something that might work.
That'd be fine as well. Guys, I was getting carried away there and Natalie told me to calm down because look, you want it roughly about mashed potato consistency. You obviously don't want it too watery because you're still going to add in water because it's a Dole whip. Look, it actually does just look like mashed potato on camera, but it tastes so good. So guys, it says to put it in a piping bag. We don't have a piping bag, so as you can see, our mashed potato has ended up in a sandwich bag. We're just going to cut the corner. I'm scared that it's going to melt, so we're just going to try and do this very quickly. So we're going to have two different versions. This is Natalie's. She's going to have an actual Dole whip, so she's going to add in her pineapple juice first.
I don't know how much to put in, so put that.
Yeah. Well, we'll try that. Right. Now we're going to take a wee bag. And what do you think? Cut the corner where? Yeah, you can cut the corner.
Push it down into the corner.
Squish it down. Don't take too much air in it. Now you're just going to take some air out it, guys. Made a mistake. Right, there we go. Lovely. Right.
And then
cut some in the corner. Just cut a wee bit of the corner off.
and try. These scissors aren't great.
Right, and I'm just going to squeeze it in. That's not the greatest, is it? It's like a poor man's Dole Whip. That's coming out. Soft cell, no. Oh my god. Guys, it's like, it looks like worms. Oh, what's going on here? Oh no, it's coming out the top. Right, give us a wee second, we've got a malfunction here. Right. With a wee bit of a malfunction there, so let's see if that's a bit better. It's coming out, looks soft serve, but a bit slower. It's all melting. Oh no. Right, hold on, I'm going to get a different angle here and get you a bit better. Really, if we had a piping bag, it would have been a lot better.
But if
oh, look at that!
We couldn't get cereal, so...
No, it's going good now. There we go. Disney, eat your heart out.
So...
Looks pretty cool, eh?
Will we put use the rest for yours?
No, you can have it. I'm not really into Dole Whip. There we go. Just keep going.
This looks so good. I'm so excited.
Does look good. So guys, there you have it. We done Dole Whip. How cool does that? That actually came out quite good. Okay, there are a couple of malfunctions at the start, but it's pretty good.
I'm so excited to try this.
What do you think?
Did you just like it?
Does it, aye?
Oh my goodness.
Good?
I love it.
It looks amazing. Looks so good. Guys, get on this. I want to see your own creations.
It's the perfect summer treat as well.
Oh, it's quite good by the way. It's very, very refreshing. I just can't get over how much that looks like potato. Doesn't taste like it, but brilliant guys. Amazing. Rachel, thanks for the glass. So guys, that's us. That's us just finished, and as you can see, Natalie is smashing that.
I love melted chocolate.
Aye. So we hope you enjoyed it. We've done our Rice Krispie treats and we've done our Dole Whip. You can see I'm a wee bit sweaty because I actually nipped away to play the drums for a wee bit.
The Dole Whip was honestly the best. I will be doing that again at some point this week.
Aye, the Dole Whip was dynamite. Rice Krispie cakes, or Krispie treats, here they are here. We're not too sure how they're going to turn out. We have been eating them throughout and they are actually quite nice. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a wee like, and if you're new to the channel, give us a subscribe, and hopefully yous do some of your treats.
And yeah, share them with us. We've seen a picture of the entries for people who've made like the Easter eggs and stuff.
Aye.
Those are really cool to see, so definitely send us them or tag them in them.
Thanks very much guys, and we hope you have a great week. Bye bye.